Hi, good evening. This is Pankaj Zanwar, founder and director at Integrated Active Monitoring Pvt. Limited. We are a Pune-based company providing retail automation solutions across pan-India. We manage more than 17,000 stores across India today. I'm going to talk on leveraging IoT for modern stores. So let me explain you what we provide this as a whole solutions and services. So before that, hello. Excuse me. So I think let's understand what is the requirement of modern stores, okay, or a vision of modern stores. Definitely, the offline stores are customers are visiting the offline stores to get the experience, and that experience is very important. So you need to see how experience can be enhanced into your offline stores, which is very important. Online and offline are converging together. Online players are coming to offline and offline are going to the online. Definitely omni-channel plays a big role. So your store should be enabled with the omni-channel technologies to manage this. As the offline stores are increasing, as India is growing, the number of stores which are getting opened are also going to grow. And definitely that creates a good amount of load onto your bottom line because your operational cost is very important. And as you are growing, your focus is always less on that aspect. So you need to see how you can improve that operational cost. Definitely, as you are growing, you need to monitor, manage everything centrally. And unless until you do that, you'll lose a control on your processes, on your systems which are deployed across so many stores. So that is also one of the important aspects which you have to focus on. Next, come to supply chain management in terms of how fast you can deliver your product and in-store displays and other information which also plays a big role in this. So definitely, while creating the modern store, you will require these aspects to be kept into mind. I'll explain how we at Integrated Active Monitoring provides you services using IoT to do that. So most of the stores has got a security system installed which can be CCTV, fire alarm, intrusion alarm or ES antennas, but they are all dumb today just because they are not connected, they are not centrally monitored. Take the case of the ES antennas itself, the anti-theft system which is deployed, it just gets the alarm which is buzzing locally and I don't know whether security guard looks at it or what action he takes. So the products like Crosspoint which are having IoT-enabled connectivity which provides this data centrally. So definitely you can use these products which are already used in outside of the India to get data available. So you can integrate this with your CCTV camera. So you capture the information from CCTV camera when the ES antenna alarm comes up and then use that for further analysis and management. CCTV is currently used only for the purpose of your postmortem. You can use IoT to get the photographs every hour. Use that for audit-based monitoring. So definitely all these systems can be integrated together to get more actionables out of it. Next comes to your energy systems because your store is of no use if the power is not there, like your UPS, DG, electricity. So IoT helps you out to monitor these equipments and increase the availability of the power. And along with not just the availability, it gives you a pattern of your consumption that will help you to reduce the energy consumption to the extent of almost 10 to 12%. Okay, so definitely energy monitoring is very, very critical aspect and IoT can help you out to do that. Next come to your comfort part, which is because customers coming to your store to get a comfort, which is like thing, but the temperature into your store, the CO2 into your store, how your HVAC systems are working. So if you are want to give more and more comfort, definitely cost will increase. So IoT will help you to find out the patterns and set a right temperature, which will help to reduce the cost. Next comes to maybe utilities like POS terminals or in-network. Because without network, again, your store is of no use because you cannot do the billing. Your POS is not working, you cannot do the billing. So these systems are also centrally monitored. Your network is centrally monitored and managed, so you know exactly the internet there is not. So IoT helps you out to integrate all these systems together and manage centrally. So that is what we provide as a full service to manage your devices through IoT. Next comes the customer touchpoint capture, because on online retail, you've got a hell lot of information available because your customer profile provides that information. Then in offline retail, definitely the eyes are always your salesmen or your managers, but they cannot provide the right information to you about the customer pattern, right? So AI-based technology helps you out, like footfall counting, age, gender, demography, how the space is getting utilized. So so AI plays a big role in understanding that, and sending this information centrally through the IoT or other protocols will help you out to take a right decision, because you will use this data to make a decision making. You'll use this data to help other systems to work properly. Definitely, unless and until this data is rightly managed, you cannot take it forward. So today only we have launched a platform called Ginti with the hands of Mr. Rakesh Biyani. So Ginti platform provides you right actionables which are come into a centralized platform. So this centralized platform supports multiple type of devices. You may have a footfall counting devices install of different make. So our platform supports you to capture all this information into a centralized platform. It's a SaaS model where you pay as you use. We provide some of the unique features, which is we call as a unique customer group counting. And that data you can use to convert it to the conversion analytics. So today we have launched this platform, which will help definitely retailers to take this data forward and take right decisions using the data and right actionables so that you can improve your modern day stores. Definitely, by putting all these technologies, you sometimes feel that, okay, I have got everything in place, but it's not that, because unless and until you have centralized command and control or centralized team or what we call as the retail command and control in place, you cannot take right action, because your device may not be working, somebody has to take the action. Your data which is coming is noisy, somebody has to take the action. So at Integrated Active Monitoring, we provide a third-party outsourced monitoring as a service. We have got a 24/7 command and control in Pune, through which monitor all these devices centrally and take actionables. The actionables can be calling out directly to your security person, calling out directly to your electrician, or in cases, generating a reports which are daily, monthly reports which are sent out as a MIS to you, which is created as per your requirement. So we provide whole safety, security, and a business efficiency as a service where we manage all these devices, and you don't have to keep your team busy in doing this, because anyway your team is not trained to handle all this data which is coming from IoT or AI. So we are providing this as a unique solution. So in all, Integrated Active Monitoring provides services to retailers to scale up fast. So we design your store from the IoT perspective. We procure and deploy the systems across all your stores with the right standardization. Then we service support to your store, not just because your equipments are not working, definitely you require a service and support, so we provide a service supports. We are doing this for almost 17,000 locations across India. Then monitoring, which is another key aspect, because as I said, somebody has to monitor these stores. So we can keep a monitoring station within your premises at your customer location, or we can provide these solutions remotely through our command and control. And next comes over the data analytics, because whatever data you are going to capture through IoT or AI, unless and until it is rightly managed, it is of no use, definitely. So we provide as a data management or data monitoring or data analytics as a service. So in all, we have a good number of customers which are already using these systems. Take the example of, I don't have to say, but Reliance Retail, which is one of the biggest retailers. We have deployed almost 5,500 people counting devices, which are fully managed and monitored by our team. Style Union, which is the new age retailers, where we are managing each and every aspect of their store across all of their 120 stores, including CCTV, fire alarm, internal alarm, AC control, light control, and so many other retailers. So IAM is a 310 people company. We have got 500 plus vendors working. We today manage 17,000 locations across India. More than 6,000 locations are actively monitored through our command and control. We have a retail innovation labs through we manage all these services on your behalf. So thanks a lot for listening to me, and please visit to our booth, which will help you to understand how we are helping retailers to grow faster, because unless and until you open more and more store, you cannot grow. So thanks a lot. If you've got any queries, question, I can answer you out.